Hello everyone, this is Prerna from InfosecTrain, and today we'll talk about firewall and its type. Firewall is a security device, either hardware or software, which monitors the incoming and outgoing traffic based upon predefined rules. It acts as a barrier between trusted network and untrusted network, which is internet. Now let's talk about types of firewall. First is packet filtering firewall. Second is stateful inspection firewall. Third, proxy firewall. Fourth, web application firewall. And fifth, new generation firewall. First, packet filtering firewall. It inspects data packets based upon source and destination IP address, port number and protocols. Then we have stateful inspection firewall, which is also known as dynamic packet filtering firewall, that monitors state of active connection. The third one is proxy firewall. Proxy firewall, it works on the application layer and it acts as an interface between a end user and the internet. Then the fourth one we have web application firewall. It monitors the traffic which comes from HTTP and it monitors the traffic between web application and internet. The last one we have the next generation firewall. It is the one which is very advanced because it contains advanced features like it has intrusion prevention system, deep packet filtering and other application awareness. I hope you understand what is firewall and its type. Let's meet next time with more informative videos. Thank you.